Hello, everyone. Today, we'll delve into India's ambitious journey in defense technology, exploring its strategic imperative for self-reliance, the policies driving this transformation, the cutting-edge technologies shaping its future capabilities, and the inherent challenges and opportunities. At the heart of India's defense transformation is the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India. This isn't just an economic goal, it's a critical national security doctrine. India currently boasts one of the world's largest armed forces, with over 1.44 million active personnel, and a substantial defense budget of approximately $81 billion for fiscal year 2025. Yet, historically, India has been the world's largest defense importer, accounting for nearly 10% of global arms imports as of 2023. This reliance creates vulnerabilities, as past instances have shown how urgent military needs can be constrained by foreign suppliers. The drive for self-reliance is therefore a strategic imperative to build military autonomy, insulate the nation from external pressures, and address persistent regional security concerns from neighbors like China and Pakistan. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has even declared 2025 as the year of reforms for the defense sector, underscoring this commitment to integrating advanced technologies and enhancing national resilience. India's defense manufacturing sector is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by a comprehensive policy framework aimed at achieving self-reliance and global leadership. Vision 2047 outlines ambitious goals, including becoming a top 5 global defense exporter by 2038 and a pioneer in critical niche technologies by 2045. The Defense Acquisition Procedure (DAP) 2020 expedites procurement, mandates higher indigenous content up to 60%, supports MSMEs, and allows increased FDI up to 74% in specific defense categories. To boost domestic production, positive indigenization lists prohibit the import of over 5,500 items, with over 3,000 already indigenized by February 2025. Defense industrial corridors in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu have attracted substantial investments, fostering manufacturing hubs. Furthermore, Innovations for Defense Excellence (IDEX), launched in 2018, and its 2024 subscheme Aditi, with a 750 crore rupees budget, are significantly enhancing innovation by supporting startups and academia, particularly in deep tech areas like AI and quantum encryption, with IDEX allocations seeing a substantial increase in the 2024-25 budget. India's defense modernization strategy heavily relies on integrating cutting-edge emerging technologies to enhance its future capabilities. Artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous systems are transforming warfare through predictive analytics and real-time decision-making, with dedicated DRDO facilities like DIVA-ASL and CARE driving research. India is a leader in unmanned systems, UAVs and drones, with DRDO's Rustam and Tapas BH UAVs for ISR missions and significant contributions from the private sector. Operation Sindoor in May 2025, which extensively deployed loitering munitions and kamikaze drones, showcased the strategic utility of UAVs, with India aiming to become a global drone hub by 2030. India is also actively developing hypersonic systems, including the HST-DIVI and projects like the Shaurya missile and BrahMos-2, which offer strategic advantages due to their unparalleled speed for precise strikes and evading air defenses. Space-based defense capabilities, spearheaded by ISRO, provide crucial support through intelligence gathering, navigation, Navicey, and secure communication, as demonstrated by the Mission Shakti Asat test in 2019 and Operation Sindoor's reliance on satellite constellations. The establishment of the Defense Space Agency, DSA, and DSRO further underscores this commitment. Prioritizing cybersecurity and electronic warfare, India has dramatically increased its budget allocation and established the Defense Cyber Agency, DCYAA, and Army's CCOSWs to safeguard critical military infrastructure. Quantum technology is recognized as a revolutionary force, with the National Quantum Mission, NQM, building indigenous capabilities in quantum computing and communication, including successful quantum key distribution QKD demonstrations. Advanced materials are crucial for enhancing defense systems' performance, durability, and stealth, with DRDO laboratories actively researching applications in lightweight armor, thermal barrier coatings, graphene, and composites. Finally, directed energy weapons are a key focus, with DRDO's National Directed Energy Weapons Program developing anti-drone DUs like the Sahastra Shakti and future plans for more powerful DUs like Surya to defend against missiles and UAVs, addressing future contactless military conflicts. India's defense technology ecosystem is a collaborative network. The Ministry of Defense, MOD, provides strategic direction, supported by key public sector entities like DRDO for R&D and ISRO for space-based support. Defense public sector undertakings, DPSUs, such as HAL and BALE form the manufacturing backbone. Crucially, the private sector and startups are now major innovators and manufacturers, contributing significantly to defense exports. Academia and research institutions are increasingly vital partners, collaborating with DRDO on advanced materials and quantum communication. India's pursuit of defense self-reliance faces significant hurdles alongside promising opportunities. Persistent challenges include technological gaps and import dependence, with 36% of the 2023 defense procurement budget still allocated to imports. Bureaucratic delays plague procurement cycles, as seen with the Tejas LCA. Inadequate budget allocation for modernization, and a mere 3.94% of the total defense budget for DRDO further hinder progress. India also grapples with a skilled manpower gap in advanced technologies, low export competitiveness despite growth, and cyber and electronic warfare vulnerabilities. However, strategic opportunities are abundant. India's growing defense market is projected to double to $54.4 billion by 2033. Robust policy support, including DAP 2020 and positive indigenization lists, provides a strong framework. The development of dual-use technologies offers diversified revenue streams. India has demonstrated an ability for cost-effective innovation, exemplified by the Pinaka rocket and Akashtir missile defense system. Finally, increased defense exports, reaching 23,622 crore rupees, $2.9 billion, in FY 2024-25, with an ambitious target of 50,000 crore rupees by 2029, signify a strong growth trajectory. India's defense technology sector is in the midst of a profound and strategic transformation, moving decisively towards self-reliance and global leadership. This journey is driven by a clear national imperative to reduce historical import dependence and enhance strategic autonomy. While challenges persist, the nation's commitment to integrating cutting-edge technologies, fostering a collaborative ecosystem, and leveraging its strengths positions India not only to enhance its national security, but also to emerge as a formidable global player and exporter in the advanced defense technology landscape, aligning with its ambitious Vision 2047. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe for more incredible tech videos.